tutorial we are going to learn how to single crochet. To start, make a chain and add one more chain. Now go to the second chain from the hook and pass the yarn through it. You've got 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn again and pass it through both loops. That is your first single crochet. Repeat this in the rest of your chain stitches. We have arrived to the end of the row. You have to chain 1 and turn your work. Now you continue making single crochets all the way to the other end. You have to pass your hook through the both loops of your previous single crochets. We have arrived to the other end, just like before. You have to make 1 chain stitch and turn your work. Continue single crocheting and repeating this process if you want to make more rows. And this is how your single crochet piece should look like. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to my channel.